buy an oat milk. Ah! I'm in New York. I'm staying in Brooklyn at Hannah's, my friend's house. This place is very peaceful. I thought Brooklyn was gonna be very loud at some point, but yeah, it's very quiet, I think. She's so chill. She's just like, take it.
We'll fix it in post.
What kind of a cake is it?
It's a funfetti.
Ooh.
The best kind.
What's Mr. Mime?
The Jane.
오늘도 아침에 조깅을 합니다. 여기 다 다른 초콜릿 색깔들 같죠? 굉장히 예쁩니다. 이제 내일이 대본 리딩이라서 오늘 안에 대본을 다 외워야 하기 때문에 열심히 외워야 합니다. Ooh. Wow, so different from Korea, but very stylish. Whoa. Okay, apparently we're here. Thank you. Ooh. Oh, you can just put them in. Wow, so these are all Sour Patches. I see. Very cool. Get a bag. Really?
Yeah.
Wait, what's it called again?
This is the Washington Square Park.
Oh, so this is the part that you were talking about. Oh.
Cypher wrap around.
Oh, maybe I should try.
Does it taste like cereal milk?
Oh, I see. So this is a cake truffle. Gluten-free cake truffle. And I'm gonna try it. Oh! Oh, this is like the cookie dough. I can't believe this is gluten-free.
What does the H stand for?
한국.
Oh,
Yeah. 너무 귀여워. Are you guys looking for the salad sauce?
we got it. This is.
Okay, let's go. 여기가 K타운이래요. 뉴욕의 K타운. 근데 한국타운이라고는 하는데 한국 사람들이 별로 안 보여요, 사실. 하지만 되게 재밌습니다. 여기에 뚜레쥬르도 있어요. 이번에는 K타운에 있는 캐리오케 바를 가보려고 합니다. Bye. That was fun. I am not drunk. I didn't drink at all. But my ears are very fuzzy, I think. You can't really hear anything. Yeah, but that was fun. We danced. I think I exercised a bit. It's a fun night. 우와, 땀나. 1시간 정도 뛴 것 같습니다.
Hi.
전 지금 지하철을 타고 올라가는데 이렇게 누가 실어해놨어요. 냄새가 저기 보이죠? 왜 이렇게 낮게 날아다녀 미친. 지금 옷 안이 다 젖었어요. 무서워서. 하도 무거운 거 들고 뛰어다니라. 이제 또 신호 건너야지. 도착했습니다. 드디어. 방이 뭐 나쁘지 않네요. 오케이. 뷰가 쩐다. 오케이. 추워. 운동을 하려고 나왔는데 땀이 안 나요. 그냥 집으로 돌아가야겠다.
William,
아.
we're leaving.
친구들을 만나기로 해서 지금 화장하고 친구들을 만나러 가고 있는데 이렇게 추울 수가 없어요. 진짜 미쳤다. 오늘 제 생일 기점으로부터 뚝 떨어지더라고요, 온도가. 들어왔는데 되게 공장처럼 생겼어요. 약간 삼성역 코엑스 같은 건가? Colorful maybe.
I like that colorful shirt you have.
Like Blair Waldorf vibe.
Yeah. Princess Jane.
이거 어때요? 맛있었어요. It was good.
It was good.
Okay, now we're gonna head to the bar. Is it a bar? Rooftop bar. So in front of the Chelsea Market happens to be a Google place. So cool to have a Google friend.
Can you even blow it?
I feel like everyone's staring at me.
I mean, like, you look so cute.
This is definitely a birthday candle.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty. Does it ever stop? Hi. This is Peg. And this is Hannah. And we are here at a bar. Thank you for spending the time with me on my birthday.
Yeah, of course. We had a good time.
Yeah, overall, I think it was a good birthday. A very experimental birthday. Today's a happy day. Yay! Thanks for watching this video. And